Good morning, guys. It is about 6:30, a quarter to 7 in the morning, and I am getting ready for work. With phase 1 of reopening here, I'm anticipating more traffic than I have been having, so I want to go ahead and get my breakfast and lunch ready. So I'm gonna get it ready, and then I'm just gonna show y'all what I'm taking, because it's basically just leftovers. And then I'll pack my lunch and get dressed, and we'll be on our way. Okay, so I feel like I'm taking my whole life with me to work, but this is basically what I'm having for lunch, just leftovers from last night with some salad mix that I'm gonna take. And I'm also, for breakfast, gonna take some overnight oats that I made that I'm gonna warm up, and I'm gonna put in some dried cranberries. This is the salad dressing I made. I'm also taking with me my organic blue agave syrup and this spread and some hummus for my snack. So yes, I'm taking a lot with me to work, but I'd rather take it all and have healthy foods that are on Dr. McDougall's plan than get hungry and just grab a snack or something that's at work. So, all right, let's get packed up. Hey guys, I just got home not too long ago, but I've made a quick dinner. This is hash browns with sauteed spinach, mushrooms, and bell pepper with ketchup and hot sauce on top. I just cooked it in my air fryer. Well, I sauteed the vegetables first, and then I combined it with the hash browns, and I cooked it in the air fryer. So yep, that's dinner. I'm feeling okay. I've been really busy today. But I haven't been hungry. I had leftovers for lunch and a hummus toast for a snack with some carrots, and now I'm having this for dinner. I have some light cheese that I'm gonna have for dessert. And yeah, if this video doesn't go up tomorrow, it'll go up Thursday, and it'll have Tuesday and Wednesday's meals in it. So hi guys, so it's dinner time and I'm home from work, so I'm gonna make some sweet potato waffles, and I'm gonna eat them with I was gonna eat them with banana butter, but all of my bananas are frozen, so I'm gonna just eat them with maple syrup, maybe, if I feel like they need it. But I'm just gonna show you the ingredients. It's really easy. In this bowl I just have 4 sweet potatoes that I steamed in my Instant Pot over there. I'm gonna put some vanilla, some cinnamon, and some oat flour. And I'm not gonna measure anything. I'm kind of gonna smash up the sweet potato, and then I'm just gonna add oat flour until like it gets to a consistency that I like. And if I need to, I will add a little bit of water and or soy milk. This recipe I got from Plentiful Kiki. It's not my recipe, so if you want to know like exact measurements and stuff, check out her video for sweet potato waffles. So that's what I'm gonna have. And yeah, so hold on honey. So this is what my batter looks like. I know Plentiful Kiki said if you don't have a really good waffle iron, you may have to spritz a little oil. I'm hoping not to have to do that, because this is a brand new waffle iron and it's ceramic plates. So we're gonna try it, okay? Let's see how it goes. Okay, this is the first waffle. I'm just gonna cut it in fourths, and that's gonna be dinner. Yep, breakfast for dinner. Hey guys, I'm running a little bit late, so I just want to show y'all really quick what I'm taking for lunch. I'm taking farro casserole. For breakfast, I'm having oatmeal. This is just oatmeal with some frozen banana, frozen cherries, and frozen blueberries with cinnamon and vanilla. And I'm gonna do a splash of soy milk and water, and I'm gonna cook this when I get to work. I have a lemon because I have some kale that I don't have here. It's in the sink because I rinsed it. But I'm gonna put it in this bowl, and I'm basically gonna have kale with breakfast and lunch. That's why I'm making so much of it. And I'm gonna massage it with some lemon. And I'm also gonna take that honey mustard flavored dressing. It's just maple syrup and Dijon mustard. I'm gonna take that today, and I found this Engine 2 Plant Strong Roasted Red Pepper Hummus. I love the roasted red pepper hummus. It's no added oil, low fat, and low sodium. And y'all, it is 55 calories less than a regular hummus. The regular hummus is like 70 calories a serving. This is 25 calories a serving because it has no oil. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it has no oil. No added oil. So I'm taking this along with my plant-based bread that's already at my office. Taking that along with my plant-based bread that's at the office. And then I'm just gonna have water. So yeah, that's gonna be what I'm taking for lunch today. So yeah, we're doing some pictures or something at work today, so that's why I got a little jazzy. Anyway, I'm running late, so I gotta go. Bye. Hi guys. So I am cooking right now. I was gonna make egg rolls, but I completely forgot to stop at the grocery store and get carrots. So I'm kind of craving a samosa-ish type dish. So I have some pre-steamed potatoes that I have in my frying pan here that I'm going to show y'all. I'm just going to season it with some garlic salt, some turmeric, some pepper. I have some cumin. Whew, I hurt my finger. And some curry powder if I can find it. It might be in this box over here. It may be not. And if it's not, then I don't know where it is because I'm in the middle of a renovation right now. So I'm just gonna season that up and cook it up with some peas and carrots and some garlic. And then I'm just gonna wrap it in my egg roll wrappers. These egg roll wrappers from the Asian store. And they have, let's see if it zoom in, 0.05 grams of fat per one wrapper. So I felt like that was pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap it in that and then I'm gonna air fry them. Yeah, so that'll be dinner, and then I'm gonna have it with some sweet chili sauce because I don't have tamarind sauce or anything like that. And yeah, that's gonna be dinner because I'm kind of hungry. I don't really feel like cooking that much. Keith is about to grill some more corn because we love corn here. And I might have an ear or two of that. And I don't know what kind of veggie I'm gonna have. Maybe I'll put a lot of peas and carrots in and that'll be my veggie. I don't know. If not, I'll probably make a salad or something. Super easy. Happy Thursday. Hey y'all, I just want to show y'all how the mixture is looking. It's potatoes, carrots, peas, and some spices cooked down. It's kind of pasty. And yeah, I'm just going to turn the fire off and let this cool for a bit. I might just put it in a glass bowl and stick it in the refrigerator for a while I set up my egg roll station, even though it's not egg roll, but it's egg roll wrappers. And yep, wrap it up, put it in the air fryer. Okay guys, that's the finished product. I just wrapped them up and put them in the air fryer at about 370 for 12 minutes, flipping halfway through. Because the filling is just potatoes and it's already cooked. So really quickly guys, because I just meal prepped for lunch tomorrow. I made some rice in our rice cooker that's cooling before it goes in the fridge. And this is, I guess you can call it a soup, but it's mustard greens, onions, mushrooms, a little bit of jalapeno, and I seasoned it with better than bouillon, liquid aminos, and garlic salt. And I also put like a tiny bit of brown sugar just to keep it from being bitter. But yep, that's what I'm having for lunch tomorrow. And I cooked it in the Instapot. I'm probably going to be making this again because I tasted it and it's really good. And I think next time I'm going to put more jalapenos or more spice or something because I like it spicy. But yeah, that's what I'm having for lunch tomorrow. So today, notebook. So today is Saturday, so I've officially been on the Starch Solution diet for 5 full days. I just wanted to come and chit chat with you guys and tell you how I was feeling, just to give you a quick update. Most of this week went okay. I haven't felt hungry per se. I think my unhealthy relationship with food in general kind of triggered me yesterday. My co-workers at my job decided to order pizza for lunch, and it was just really difficult for me not to have that slice of pizza. I don't know if it's a combination of the fact that I'm naturally a meat eater and I haven't been even eating the meat substitutes, or what. Trying to be really clean with this diet. I don't know if next week maybe I will incorporate some meat alternatives just to keep me on the vegan track. I'm not sure, but I definitely wanted to let you know that I did struggle yesterday, and I'm struggling a little bit this morning because it's Saturday and I'm used to, you know, going out and having breakfast with my family, and none of them are eating this diet. So that's a little bit difficult. Other than that, I haven't felt hungry. So what I'm gonna do is, you guys will have seen pictures of what I've been taking with me for lunch and breakfast at work, and some of my dinners that I've showed this week. And yeah, so I wanted to let you know how I was feeling on day 6, which means we finished day 1 through 5. So today we're working on the house, so I'm gonna be busy, which is good. Busy keeps you from wanting to eat unnecessarily, anyway, when you're bored or anything like that. So we're gonna be busy working on the house, and yeah, that'll be fun. We're really close to being almost done with it. So yeah, if you've been following our house update journey, we're really close to showing you guys a semi-finished room. We still are waiting on the upper cabinets. They're like a month from being out. There's nothing we can do about it. We've tried everything we can. So yeah, if you're following me on the Starch Solution journey, or that's how you found me, welcome. Thanks so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing down below, and join our subby fam here. And yeah, thanks so much for following along with me on this journey. And yeah, I wanted to caveat, I know I said I wanted to upload every day or every other day, but I realized by the second day that there really wasn't much to show you guys because I work full-time. So with me working full-time, I'm not at home cooking every day. I'm basically taking leftovers pretty much every single day to work for lunch. So I wanted to show you guys my meals, but I didn't want to bore you guys with an upload that's like 2 minutes long every day. So I just decided to change it to weekly updates. Hopefully that's okay with you guys. So be happy and enjoy your life and be kind to one another, and thanks so much for subscribing. Bye.